Hello everybody. Today, we're making the nose and muzzle for our Winnie the Pooh from the vintage pattern. On the right, you see Winnie the Pooh. And in the left corner, the scheme we're going to make it. Okay, let's grab your yarn and hook. We're using brown yarn. We're making a slip knot now. Then we make 2 chains. Now we'll work into the second chain from the hook to make 6 single crochet. If you're comfortable, you can also make an Amigurumi magic ring if you prefer. Understanding the diagram. The black line indicates the beginning of the round. Orange rounds are nose, and the black color is referring to the muzzle. I use a contrasting yarn to mark the beginning of the rounds. Now, let's count that we make 6 single crochet. Work into the first stitch and make it nice and tight. We need to make 3 single crochet into 1 stitch. Now we need to make 2 chains and skip 1 single crochet. We'll work 3 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3. And now we just need to make 3 single crochet stitches. 1 single crochet into each stitch. Okay, we've made 2 rounds. Now we are making the third one. Make 1 single crochet. Then an increase. Single crochet. Now we need to make 2 chains above, over the 2 chains we already made in the previous round. Skip those and work a single crochet into the next single crochet. Now make an increase, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and next, we're making 4 single crochet stitches to the beginning of the round. Yes, 1 single crochet into each stitch. And now we need to make a slip stitch into the next stitch, into the first stitch of the next round. You make the beginning of new color at the last step. As we usually do, we change color for the yellow one. Okay, this is a slip stitch, and now we have to make a single crochet in the same stitch where we made the slip stitch. Make an increase, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Make an increase, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Then we'll make 1 single crochet before the 2 chains. That's 1 stitch. Now we need to work into the first round, into this single crochet of the first round below all these chains. I will show you. It's right here, and we need to work in front of it. So, grab your hook and go under and above so that the stitch will be on the right side. We grab the yarn, pull the yarn, and now we complete the single crochet. Now we need to go to the next single crochet after the 2 chains, and continue to crochet based on the diagram. We make 1 single crochet, then 2 increases, then 2 single crochet, then 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. The rest is pretty easy. Thank you for watching.